issues were. There is confusion being created about the 12 p.m. regarding midnight regarding this. I want to clarify on that.
Okay, what is your clarification as far as the Sunburn timing issues are concerned?
No, see, as far as we are concerned, Department of Environment, we have till this minute, no permission has been granted by us to Sunburn. The Environment Protection Act permits the state government to give a relaxation up to midnight on 15 days in the year.
Okay.
The government of Goa, therefore, has relaxed dates 15 days in the year and vis-a-vis the month of December from 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. Functions can be held till 12 p.m. in the night. Why am I wanting to clarify? Because an impression is being created that this permission has been given specifically to Sunburn. I am again repeating, till this minute, no permission has been given by the Environment Department.
Which permission they are required to take?
I do not know. I only know regarding Environment Department, we have given no permission till this minute. Next point is any function that is held during the dates I had mentioned earlier, 24th December to 31st December. The functions can go on till midnight.
Is it function or only sound, music? Function can go after that also.
Well, we are talking about sound. We
Sound,
are
only
talking about
sound.
sound. So I don't know if you still require a clarification. If you want a clarification, I'll clarify. Sound till 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. So now even CM said today, government is going to 10 o'clock. So if tomorrow,
No, I'm coming to it. Our permission is secondary to the permissions being granted by the Tourism Department. So if the Tourism Department grants a permission till 8 p.m., we abide by it. If they give a permission till 10 p.m., we will stand by it. Whatever their permission states, we will abide by that permission.
So it depends on tourism department.
Because they are the licensing authority.
Now, High Court has ordered some committee to look into this matter.
So the committee has been formed yesterday by the Chief
Yeah,
Secretary.
so the committee will give permission.
Committee doesn't give permission. I think there's something amiss in whatever you are saying. The High Court has directed the committee to monitor. High Court has not given powers to given powers of the government to that committee.
Any other thing?
So sir, permission मागित झाल्यावर तुम्ही किती करता?
किती?
They ask permission after 10.
We can't contradict the Tourism Department permission. Tourism Department permission is the main permission. So we will go by whatever Tourism Department says.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.